In 1968, a brand new Chevelle SS 396 cost less than $3,000. But one $200 decision at the dealership separates the common cars from the rare ones today. These numbers come straight from Chevrolet's own records. A base Chevelle 300 Coupe started at just $2,341. The Malibu Sport Coupe, the bestseller with over 180,000 build, listed at $2,663. And the legendary SS 396 Sport Coupe, $2,899. Here's what almost nobody caught. The SS 396 Convertible was only $203 more, at $3,102. But buyers skipped it. Chevrolet built 55,309 SS Coupes in 1968 and just 2,286 convertibles. The lowest of any year, the SS 396 was its own model. Today, the average 68 Chevelle sale is about $47,000. Good SS Coupes bring the mid-40s, but those rare convertibles, the best ones push past $100,000. So would you have paid the extra $203? In 1969, Chevrolet did something strange. They killed the SS 396 as a model, and sales exploded. This is what a brand new 69 Chevelle SS actually cost, and the last number will hurt. A Malibu Sport Coupe with a V8 started at $2,690. The SS 396 was now a checkbox. Option code Z25, $347.60. Big block, disc brakes, the works. The SS package cost less than air conditioning. Total, $3,037 for a real SS 396. The 350 horse engine, $121 more. The 375 horse L78, $252. And 400 buyers checked one more box. Aluminum heads, $647. Nearly a quarter of the base car. 86,307 people ordered the SS package in '69, the best-selling SS 396 year ever. Today, a real one runs 60 to 90,000. That sticker, only about 27 grand in today's money. And there was a special one that I didn't even mention in this video. Would you have checked the box? Tell me below. In 1970, two lines on the Chevelle order sheet changed everything. One cost $263, the other just $200. If you check both, today you're holding a $500,000 car. This is what the king of all Chevelles cost brand new, and by the end, you'll have to pick which one was the money move. Start with a Malibu Sport Coupe, $2,809. Want the convertible? $200 more, $3,009. Now the SS 454 package, $503.45. For that, you got the 360 horse LS5, power front disc brakes, dual exhaust, and the domed hood. Now the big one, the LS6, $263.30 for 450 horsepower. But it forced your hand on the transmission. The M22 Rock Crusher 4-speed, $221.80, or the Turbo 400 automatic at $290. Add positive traction for $42.15. And get this, air conditioning cost $376. The AC cost more than the LS6. Add it up, about $3,800 for a stripped LS6 coupe with the Rock Crusher, and the convertible, right at $4 grand. So here's the real question. In 1970, the LS6 was a $263 checkbox. The convertible top was $200. Today, both are worth a fortune, and the cars with both sell for over $500,000. So which one was the money move? The engine or the top? Tell me in the comments. In 1971, a new Chevelle stickered for just under $3,000. Today, the right one crosses $80,000. The base Malibu Sport Coupe, $2,980. The SS package added $357. Sport suspension, power front discs, blackout grille. But in '71, the SS could be ordered with a small block. The badge alone didn't mean muscle. The muscle was the engine. The LS5 454 cost $279, made 365 horsepower, and was the only one that earned real SS 454 fender badges. Loaded up, one rolled off the lot around $4,000. Here's the rarity. Chevy built over 19,000 Chevelle and El Camino SS cars that year, but only 9,502 got the 454 today. A clean base Malibu runs 20-some thousand. A documented 454 starts around 50 and hits 85 plus at auction. But it all rides on the paperwork. No build sheet, no proof. And a small block wearing 454 badges is worth a fraction of the real thing. So next time you see a 71 SS 454 for sale, check the build sheet before you check the price. In 1972, Chevrolet built a Chevelle that lost almost 100 horsepower from the year before, with the exact same engine. Nothing under the hood changed. Let me show you. Brand new, a V8 Malibu Sport Coupe started at $2,923. From there, you started checking boxes. Want the SS? $365.50. That got you the sport suspension, power front disc brakes, the blacked out grille, and white letter tires on chrome lug wheels. Then came the engine, and this is where the story is. A 4-barrel 350 ran about $76. The 402, still wearing its 396 badges, was $177. And the big one, the 454 LS5, $286.50. The engine you could only get on the SS. On the window sticker, that 454 read 270 horsepower. 1 year earlier, the identical engine read 365. Same block, same heads, same cam. What changed wasn't the motor, it was the way they measured it. 1972 was the year the whole industry switched from gross ratings, taken off a bare engine on a stand, to net ratings, measured the way the engine actually runs in the car. Overnight, every muscle car in America looked slower on paper. The 72 454 didn't lose a thing. It just started telling the truth.